Good morning students, welcome to online class. In the last class, exercise 4.3 completed. Now today we will start exercise 4.4. Write down first problem in exercise 4.4 and three diagrams are there. Okay na? So write the problem and draw all the three diagrams neatly. Okay na? So problem number 4, problem number 1 in 4.4. Write down the problem. In the given triangles, find x comma y and z. Three diagrams are there. In the first diagram, x is there. In the second diagram, y is there. In the third diagram, z is there. We need to find out x value in the first diagram, y value in the second diagram, z value in the third diagram. Okay na? Then solution. First observe all the three diagrams. What are the angles in the first diagram? Number 1 50, number 2 60, number 3 x. Okay na? ABC is a triangle. Okay na? ABC is a triangle. 50, 60 interior angles and side BC is produced up to D. Side BC is produced up to D. What we get? Exterior angle. So by producing the side of the triangle, we get exterior angle. What are the angles? 50 interior angle, 60 interior angle, x exterior angle. Second diagram, EFG is a triangle. EFG is a triangle. FE is produced up to H. FE is produced up to H. Then what are the angles? 60, 70, Z. 60 is interior angle, 70 is interior angle, Z is exterior angle. In the third diagram, PQR is a triangle, QR is produced up to S. Then what are the angles in the third diagram? 35 is interior angle, 45 is interior angle, Y is exterior angle. So every diagram contains two interior angles, one exterior angle. Okay na? So that is our observation about the diagrams. Then first one is what? In the first diagram, x is what? X is first one solution. X is exterior angle. What is x? Exterior angle. X is exterior angle in the first diagram. 50 degrees, comma 60 degrees. Observe the angles. Angle A 60, angle B. Angle A 50, angle B 60. 50 degrees, comma 60 degrees are interior opposite angles, not adjacent. Interior opposite angles. So what are the angles in the first diagram? X is exterior angle. Number 2, 50 degrees, comma 60 degrees. They are interior opposite angles, but not adjacent angles. 50, 60, they lie opposite to X. So exterior angle, interior opposite angles. What is the relation between exterior angle and interior opposite angle in a triangle? Okay na? You know, exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So in a triangle, one property is there. What is that property? Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. What is the exterior angle? X. What are the interior opposite angles? 50 plus 60. Okay na? So x equal to 110 degrees. Therefore x equal to 110. The first diagram, what is the answer for x? 110 degrees. Okay na? See the second one. In the second diagram, what is the exterior angle? Z is the exterior angle. Second diagram, Z is the exterior angle. What are the interior opposite angles? What are the interior opposite angles? 60 degrees, second one solution 60 degrees comma 70 degrees are interior opposite angle. Second diagram, Z is the exterior angle because it lies outside the triangle. What are the interior opposite angles? 60 comma 70 are the interior opposite angles. Then what is the relation? Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Then what we get? Z equal to 60 plus 70. Z equal to 130 degrees. Therefore, Z equal to 130. So second diagram, Z is the exterior angle. 60 comma 70, they are interior opposite angles. Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Z equal to 60 plus 70. Z equal to 130. So Z value 130. Third diagram. Solution for third diagram is, in the third diagram, what angle lies outside the triangle? Y. Y is the exterior angle. Third diagram, Y is the exterior angle. So in the third diagram, Y is the exterior angle. What are the interior opposite angles? 35 degrees, comma 45 degrees are interior opposite angles. Then what is the relation between them? Exterior angle equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Y degrees equal to 35 degrees plus 45 degrees. Y degrees equal to 80 degrees. So third one, Y value 80. So in the first diagram, X equal to 60 plus 50, 110. In the second diagram, Z equal to 60 plus 70, 130. The third diagram, Y equal to 35 plus 45 equal to 80. Okay na? Write down. Okay, write down problem number 2. Exercise 4.4, problem number 2. What is there in problem number 2? In the given figure, AS parallel BT, angle 4 equal to angle 5. SB bisects. What is bisects? Two equal parts. Divides the angle into two equal parts. SB bisects angle AST. Find the measure of angle 1. Okay na? Write down solution. What is given in the problem? What are the angles in the problem? First of all, big triangle is there. BRT is a triangle. AS, two arrow marks are visible to you. Arrow mark means the lines are parallel to each other. Totally 6 angles are there. Okay na? At S, 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. All together, protractor shape is visible to you. And 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. They are the different angles in the diagram. We need to find out angle 1. So write what is given first. Given. What is given? AS parallel BT. AS parallel BT. Angle 4 equal to angle 5. First point, AS parallel BT, and what are the angles equal? Angle 4 to angle 5. Top angle, down angle. Both are equal. SB bisects angle AST. SB bisects angle AST. Where is angle AST? This is AST. SB bisects angle AST. Bisects means two equal parts. This is the part. Angle AST. This is the part. SB bisects angle AST. Then we need to find out angle 1. Angle 1 question mark. Angle 1 equal to question mark. Then how to get the answer? See the board. We know already angle 4 equal to angle 5. We know angle 4 equal to angle 5. Let it be first equation. How to get the answer? Let us use angle 4 and angle 5, both are equal. So angle 4 equal to angle 5. This is given equation 1. Then what we know? BSB bisects angle AST. SB bisects angle AST. What is bisect? Two equal parts. Divides angle into two equal parts. And this is the part what I am talking with you, angle AST. There two angles are visible to you. Angle 2 and angle 3 both are equal because this is the angular bisector which divides angle into two equal parts. So angle 2 and angle 3 both are equal. SB bisects angle AST. Bisects means which divides the angle into two equal parts. So what are the angles equal? Angle 2 equal to angle 3. Reason, bisect means angular bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. At that part, two angles are visible to you. Angle 2 and angle 3 both are equal. Why they are equal? Because there is angular bisector. Angle 2 equal to angle 3. Equation 2. Angle 2 and angle 3 both are equal. Equation 2. Then one more is there. Third part. This is first one. This is second one. About third one. AS parallel BT. AS parallel BT, comma, BS is a transversal. BS is a transversal. AS parallel BT, comma, BS is a transversal. AS parallel BT, comma, BS is a transversal. Then, what are the angles equal? So, I am talking about arrow marked lines. AS parallel to BT, comma, this one is a transversal. Then what are the angles equal? Angle 2, angle 5, both are equal. Why they are equal? Because they are interior alternate angles. So what are the angles equal? Angle 2 equal to angle 5. Why they are equal? Because they are interior alternate angles. Interior alternate angles. Third part. First part, according to the problem, first part is what? Angle 4 equal to angle 5. Equation 1. Second one is according to angular bisector property. Angular bisector divides the angle into two equal parts. Angle 2 and angle 3 are equal. Third one is what? AS parallel BT, comma, BS is a transversal. Okay na? Then what are the angles equal? Angle 2 equal to angle 5. Why they are equal? Because they are interior alternate angles. Okay na? So that is third part. First one, angle 4 and angle 5 equal. Second one, angle 2 and angle 3 equal. Third one, angle 2 and angle 5 equal. Combine all the three from 1 to 3 equations. Let us combine all the three. From 1 to 3 equations, angle 3 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 5. Let us combine all the three equations. What we get? Angle 3 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 5. What is the first equation? Angle 4 equal to angle 5. First equation. What is the second equation? Angle 2 equal to angle 3. According to angular bisector property, angle 2 equal to angle 3. Second equation. Third equation is what? AS parallel BT, comma, BS is a transversal. Then what are the angles equal? Angle 2 equal to angle 5. So interior alternate angles. Third equation. Let us combine all the three. What we get? Angle 3 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 5. Now angle 3, see the triangle. In triangle BST, what we get? Angle 3 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 5. All three angles are equal, means it is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. In equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. So implies angle 3 equal to angle 4 equal to angle 5 equal to 60 degrees. Angle 3 how much? 60. Angle 4 how much? 60. Angle 5 how much? 60. Because it is equilateral triangle. Now, see the total angle at S. Total angle at S. See the total angle, first angle 1, second angle 2, third angle 3. All together, protractor shape means it is 180. From the diagram, total angle at S equal to 180. Clear? Protractor shape implies angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. Angle 1, you know, angle 2 and angle 3 both are equal. Angle 2 and angle 3 are equal according to equation 2. Angle 2 how much? 60. Angle 3 how much? 60 equal to 180. Angle 1 plus 120 equal to 180. Angle 1 equal to 180 minus 120 equal to 60. Okay na? So from the diagram, total angle at S equal to 180. What are the angles at S? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180. We know angle 2 and angle 3 both are equal according to equation 2. Angle 1 plus 60 plus 60 equal to 180. 60 plus 60, 120. Angle 1 plus 120 equal to 180. 120 is moving. Angle 1 equal to 180 minus 120, 60. So in the next class, we continue the remaining sums. Thank you, students.